Do you like toys? Of course you do. Toys are amazing and bring so much joy. Do you like to make things? Imagine creating something unique with your own hands. Then you'll love making your own toys. It's a wonderful way to express your creativity. It's super easy and lots of fun. Plus, you get to play with something you made yourself. You can use things around your house like cardboard boxes and empty toilet paper rolls. These everyday items can become something extraordinary. Let's get creative and make some awesome toys together. It's like magic. With a bit of imagination, the possibilities are endless. You can turn anything into a toy with a little imagination. A simple piece of paper can become a flying airplane or a cute animal. You can make a rocket ship or a funny monster. The sky's the limit when it comes to what you can create. What will you make today? Grab your supplies and let's start crafting. The adventure awaits. Making your own toys is good for your brain. It's a fun and creative way to spend your time, and it can be incredibly rewarding. It helps you think in new ways. When you brainstorm and come up with ideas, you're using your imagination and problem-solving skills. You learn how to use different materials. From paper and glue to more complex items like fabric and wood, each material teaches you something new. You can even learn new words. Reading instructions and discussing your projects with others can expand your vocabulary and improve your communication skills. When you make something with your own hands, you feel proud. It's a great feeling to see your hard work turn into something tangible. You can say, "I made this." It's a wonderful way to boost your self-esteem and confidence. You can even give your toys as gifts to your friends and family. They will love them. Handmade gifts are special because they show you put time and effort into making something unique. Let's make a sock puppet. It's easy and fun. You will need an old sock, buttons, yarn, and glue. Step 1, take your sock. Put it on your hand like a glove. Step 2, glue on some buttons for eyes. Step 3, use yarn to give your puppet some silly hair. Step 4, now put on a puppet show for everyone. Section 4, Cardboard Box Creations. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities and creativity. Do you have a cardboard box lying around at home? Well, you can make so many amazing things with just a little imagination and some basic supplies. You will need a cardboard box, crayons or markers, and a few other simple items. Scissors, and remember to ask a grown-up for help. And some tape to hold everything together. Step 1, find a big cardboard box. The bigger, the better for your grand creations. Step 2, ask a grown-up to help you cut out a door and windows. This will be the start of your masterpiece. Step 3, color the box with crayons or markers. Let your creativity run wild with colors and designs. And step 4, you can make a car, a house, or anything you can imagine. The sky's the limit. Whether it's a spaceship, a castle, or a cozy little home for your toys, the possibilities are endless. Have fun and let your imagination soar. Section 5, go make something. Wasn't that fun? Now it's your turn. Look around your house for things you can use. Use your imagination and see what you can create. Remember, there are no mistakes in crafting, just new ideas. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun.